Why? Probably got stuck. There's nothing you've done wrong, but sometimes they have. Do it. It looks like you're doing pretty well. Two more, yeah.